Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video we're going to unbox the Redmi 12C mobile phone. So let's begin the video. Here is the box of the Redmi 12C, and the first thing is that if you're going to buy it new, then it comes in the plastic wrapping, but I have opened it due to some reason, and I have also installed the screen protector as well. Anyways, on the top or the front of the box you're going to have the actual mobile phone's picture, which it comes in different colors. This one is the graphite gray color. Here it says Redmi and Xiaomi, but both of these are now the same group of companies, so it doesn't matter. Redmi 12C. On the side the same thing with your favorite Google apps. Google is a trademark of Google LLC. On the top there's nothing. On the side the same thing, and here you have a PT approved sticker. So if you live in Pakistan and if it has this sticker, then it means it is PT approved. On the bottom you have the serial number, IMEI number, Redmi 12C Graphite Gray, 4GB RAM, 128GB storage, and the package contents, which we are going to see right now. First of all, you're going to have the actual phone itself, and here is the Redmi 12C mobile phone. Again, I have installed this glass protector. It does not come in default, and on the back you have the graphite gray color, and I have this sheet installed. Here you have the two cameras. One is the 50 megapixel main camera, your fingerprint sensor, your flash, and so on. So overall the build quality is plastic, not the most premium quality. Here you have your power button, your volume up and down keys. On the other side you have, I think so, your SIM tray, yes, which has dual SIMs, and it has a dedicated SD card. On the top you have your headphones jack. On the bottom you have your speaker, your mic, and a USB type B port for charging or data transfer. It does not have USB type C port, which it should have. On the front you have your 5 megapixel selfie camera, and the screen size is 6.7 inches. So I'm going to power on the phone for the very first time. Me, powered by Android. And as the phone is powering on, let's see what's else in the box. So first of all we have this SIM ejection tool, which is provided. Other than that, you're going to have these different manuals and the warranty cards as well. Other than that, you're going to have your USB type B to type A cable, again not a type C, and you're going to have your charger as well, which is a USB type A. It can output 5 volts or 2 amperes, so I think this is not a fast charger. And that's all in the box, and our phone has started up. MIUI 13 is pre-installed in this phone, and you can see that the bezels are pretty much large, like it's not a edge to edge phone. So the phone has been set it up successfully. If I go and open the camera, you can see the back camera, which is the 50 megapixel main camera or the wide camera, and on the front you have your 5 megapixel selfie camera. The chipset is, I think so, the Helio G85 series, and here is the 66.7 inch IPS LCD display. So you're not going to have the most smoothest display, as this is not a 90 Hz display. So yeah guys, this was the unboxing video of the Redmi 12C. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.